Hey folks, welcome back to One Project OA, and today we're gonna get some painting done. Well, that's the plan anyway. So as you can see up here, we're taped off, the windows are taped off. We're gonna do the door very last, and we got everything down there taped off, so we still have this window tape off, and we are ready to shoot. So we rented this man lift to finish up the siding way up top there and on the gable end over the deck, but since we have it, we're going to take advantage of it and try to spray some paint way up top there. So we'll take you on that journey. I've never done any painting before, so any exterior painting with a sprayer anyway. So this should be something new for me. My brother-in-law's got more experience with me, so he's going to be helping me out, and we'll see what we can do. This probably isn't going to be the most educational video. I think it's going to be mostly just time-lapse and kind of an update of what everything looks like in the end. So yeah, here we go. So you guys watched me paint this side already. This was the highest, I guess, wall with the get all the way up to the peak. So while I still have this lift, I'm gonna shoot that gable end and go around front and shoot the other gable end. And then if I got whatever I got left over, I'll go shoot the other gable end on the other side of the house. I'm trying to get all the high points done while I still have this man lift. So it'll be much easier that way. I'm not going to bore you guys with the caulking or the taping of the windows, so you can see that's already done. I am ready to shoot basically this whole backside and around the corner here. So that gable's the other one I want to hit while I still have the lift, and if I have enough paint, I will shoot this end as well. There's actually a paint shortage right now, so I don't think I have quite enough to do the whole house, but I'll try to get done as much as I can with what I have, and I guess we'll just wait for more paint. So there we go. Able to get my first coat of paint on all of it except for this little section. It's about 3 by 7, maybe by 8, before I ran out of paint completely out. And the sucky thing is Sherwin-Williams here in town doesn't have any. I called them and they are transferring over 10 more gallons in individual gallon containers over here. Instead of like in a 5-gallon bucket like this, it's going to be in like the 1-gallon jugs. So then I'll just dump it into a 5-gallon bucket and use that to paint with. But yeah, I was able to get all of this done before I ran out. So hopefully the paint they promised me shows up tomorrow. All right, here we go. Last couple walls here to paint. Got a few helpers over there finishing taping off, and we'll be ready to shoot this here shortly. So it's a little bit windy. I got some overspray up on my roof over there, and the wind would take it and just go wherever it wants. So I'm really gonna have to pay close attention to that so I don't get overspray on my beams and everything else. It's gonna be hard, but there's no wind until after like 1 o'clock, and then it starts getting super windy. So you gotta get it done either way. So here we go. Well, the time has finally come where we are done painting the exterior of the house. So I'm gonna give you a tour, show you around the outside, do a full walk around, and just kind of show you. It's not all 100% completed. Obviously the front door is just still primed. It hasn't been painted yet. And we went with, this is an Ice Cube white from Sherwin-Williams. And then the trim we're gonna paint, I'm just gonna roll it once with Snowbound white, which I haven't done yet. That probably won't even happen till spring, to be honest. Spring or summer. But anyway, I mean, it still looks good even now. So here, let me take a few steps off here so you can see get a better look at the front. So this is also going to be the siding walkthrough, as well as the finished paint. So this is all painted. You can see I got soffit lights up there, and then the timbers are stained black. I still got to do this bottom, and there's a couple of the other ones like back there that I got to do. So yeah, let's move on. This is the front, the garage. The metal rack there is going to be an awning. I'm going to end up getting raised seam metal roof to go on top of that, and then I still need to cut in soffit lights there, and above that side as well. Not sure when everything's going to be put out, but I'll also be having a video of the Versetta stone that we installed. So on this side of the house, went ahead and taped off most of the gas meter, other than like the shutoffs and whatnot, and of course the meter itself and the label. Everything else I just painted. Figured let it blend in a little bit more. Moving on around the back. Yeah, looks pretty much, it's all done. I mean, with the white color, any bug or anything, you can see like there's a spider up there, or a stink bug or whatever that is, sticks out like a sore thumb. But so this is the bathroom exhaust fan vent, and then the boiler discharge and the furnace discharge, and then this is just a receptacle for outside. And then there's the 3 vents up top for the 3 upstairs bathrooms. So the master gets two of them. It gets one in the toilet room, and the master in the bathroom itself gets another one, and then for the bathroom upstairs is the last one there. Moving along here, there's the other basement vent coming out. So it's a little bit messy down here back in the corner. The drywall guys didn't pick up all their garbage, so they got to come back and finish picking that up. So here's the scribed trim piece. I'm still gonna have to come through and caulk this to kind of make it look a little bit better, but looks pretty good. And then this is a box for like a hot tub hookup for the future. And then receptacle here and the natural gas connection there. And then back there is going to be the alarm for the septic system. So none of these have been stained down lower. I stained all the uppers when I had the man lift just to make it easier. So then we got just lap siding there, board and batten up top, and then you can see, you might be able to see it, there's 4 soffit lights up there, and they're the gimbal ones, so I can adjust them wherever I want them facing or pointing. And then there is one more up there. So let's wrap around the front. And then as you can see, all the gutters have been installed already. And we had this downspout be black just to match the beam so it doesn't stick out like a sore thumb. But gutters are all in. So yeah, here's the finish. Everything finished up and painted. Looks pretty good. Let's go up on the deck. Kind of take a peek at this area too. So yeah, I love the look of all the white on white with like the black accent of like the beams and the roof and whatnot. So yeah, looks pretty darn good. So we love how it looks. We're happy with it, and we appreciate you guys tagging along for this journey, for this project of ours. And I'm sure there'll be more to come. Like I said, there's the stone video, and there's a bunch of other ones that I'm working on. So obviously they're behind. I'm behind on putting them out and doing them all, trying to keep up with everything, but trying to do what I can. So thanks for tagging along, and appreciate it. We'll catch you on the next one.